One last video for section 2.2 is on the notion of infinite limits. And so as a motivating example, let's consider the function f of x is equal to 1 over x minus 2. So we can draw this. I'm going to go ahead and draw this. So bad things happen. This function is undefined when x is equal to 2. So let's put that there. And as it turns out, it has a vertical asymptote as x is equal to 2. So let me draw this out. So f of x here. And so here we see a vertical asymptote. So why does this exist? Well, as x gets close to 2 from the right, x minus 2 is a very small positive number. So if x is equal to, let's say, 2.00001, x minus 2 is 0.00001, and 1 over x minus 2 is 1 over 0.00001, which is something divided by something very small makes a very large number. So that's why as x gets closer and closer to 2, 1 over x minus 2 gets really, really big. Now, on the other hand, as x gets really close, so when I said x is close to 2 before, I was implying that x was a little bit bigger than 2. If x is a little bit smaller than 2, down here, we're going to see that if x is, for example, 1.999, x minus 2 is negative 0.001 here. And so 1 over minus 0.001 is something that is a large negative number. When I say a large negative number, I mean very negative. Perhaps I should say a small negative number. And so we want to have some notation to describe what's going on here. Now, there's no single finite number that, as we move from the right here towards 2, that f of x is approaching. So technically speaking, a limit doesn't exist. But we still want to have some terminology here to say, well, we can tell something's going on here. And so how do we do that? Notationally, we're going to say, to describe the situation, we're going to say that the limit as x goes to 2 from the right of f of x is equal to infinity. And the limit as x goes to 2 from the left of f of x is equal to minus infinity. And so this is notation that allows us to capture what's going on. Now, really, these limits don't exist. And I can say also these limits do not exist. But it's a little bit more information for us to say that these limits are infinite limits, so that we don't have to go back to, we want to make it clear that we're not dealing with this kind of does not exist limit from before.